Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Compass rear windshield wiper. First, ensure you have a new 10-inch replacement blade ready. Begin by gently prying open the small plastic cover located at the base of the wiper arm. Once the cover is open, carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stays in a raised position. Now let's remove the old blade. With the arm lifted, rotate the old wiper blade until it is nearly perpendicular to the arm. You should feel it release from its retaining clip or C-shaped socket. Then, firmly pull the old blade straight off the end of the wiper arm. This step usually requires a gentle but steady pull to fully disengage the old component. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new 10-inch wiper blade and align its attachment point with the end of the wiper arm. Make sure the larger opening on the blade is positioned towards the driver's side of your vehicle. Gently push the new blade onto the arm until you hear and feel it securely snap into the C-shaped socket, ensuring a firm connection. To finish up, double-check that your new wiper blade is securely attached to the arm. Carefully lower the entire wiper arm and blade back down onto the rear window. Then, swing the plastic base cover back into its original position and press it until it clicks, ensuring it's closed. Finally, activate your rear wiper to confirm it operates smoothly and effectively, providing clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.